Liquid coolers keep Ryzen 7 temperatures low during gaming and heavy multitasking workloads. My today's video is about top 5 best liquid coolers for Ryzen 7 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Be Quiet. Liquid coolers for Ryzen 7. This liquid cooling system delivers outstanding performance with impressively quiet operation. Its powerful 3-chamber pump design effectively reduces turbulence and minimizes noise, ensuring smoother coolant flow and enhanced reliability. The dampened, adjustable pump with a 6-pole motor adds both efficiency and durability, making it ideal for high-performance builds. Equipped with 3 silent wings for 120mm PWM high-speed fans, it provides strong airflow while remaining virtually inaudible even under heavy loads. The engineered cooling block ensures exceptional heat dissipation, keeping temperatures stable during intense gaming or demanding workloads. Wide CPU plate coverage, including Threadripper support, makes it compatible with a broad range of processors. The easy-access refill port and included coolant bottle extend the cooler's lifespan, offering long-term value. Flexible sleeve tubes and a user-friendly mounting system make installation simple and hassle-free. Overall, it's a premium cooling solution that balances power, silence, and convenience beautifully. Now our second product is PCCOOLER liquid coolers for Ryzen 7. The DC360 delivers an excellent balance of performance, silence, and visual appeal for high-end PC builds. Its next-generation 2600 revolutions per minute pump operates at just 15 dBA, providing strong and efficient cooling without distracting noise, perfect for gaming and heavy workloads. A standout feature is the vibrant 2.4-inch IPS display, which lets you showcase real-time CPU temperatures, custom logos, or animations. It adds a modern, high-tech touch that instantly elevates your setup. Of the 3 included 120mm F50 RGB fans spin up to 2500 revolutions per minute, pushing impressive airflow and static pressure, making this cooler ideal for overclocking. Full motherboard RGB synchronization ensures seamless lighting effects with popular RGB ecosystems. Built with a CNC aluminum water block, durable sleeve tubing, and wide compatibility for Intel and AMD platforms, installation is straightforward. For those sensitive to noise, fan speeds can be easily adjusted in BIOS, offering flexible control over cooling and acoustics. Our third product is ASUS liquid coolers for Ryzen 7. This cooling solution stands out with the latest Asetek EMA Gen 8 V2 pump, featuring a powerful 3-phase motor that delivers exceptional cooling efficiency, higher flow rates, and reduced impedance. It keeps high-performance CPUs running smoothly even under heavy gaming or creative workloads. The thickened RGB fans are engineered for strong airflow and high static pressure while maintaining optimized noise levels. Their magnetic snap-together design makes installation fast, clean, and cable management much easier. A major highlight is the upgraded 3.5-inch LCD screen with a sharp 640 by 480 resolution. It allows custom animated GIFs or real-time system monitoring, including clock speeds, voltage, temperatures, fan speeds, and coolant flow, adding both functionality and stunning visual appeal. An enhanced embedded fan inside the pump housing improves motherboard VRM cooling, boosting overall stability. With new software controls for pump and fan speeds plus AIDA 64 integration and exclusive ROG themes, this cooler blends top-tier performance with impressive customization and style. Now number 4, Minorsonic liquid coolers for Ryzen 7. This 360mm AIO cooler delivers powerful, dependable performance designed for demanding systems. At its core is a high-speed ceramic bearing pump running at 3000 revolutions per minute, providing excellent coolant flow, higher lift, and long-term durability. Even under heavy gaming or rendering loads, it keeps temperatures stable and performance consistent. The industrial-grade 3-phase, 4-pole motor reduces vibration and noise, ensuring ultra-smooth and quiet operation while accelerating heat transfer for improved thermal efficiency. PWM-controlled fans intelligently adjust speeds based on system temperatures, reaching up to 1,600 revolutions per minute to balance airflow and acoustics perfectly. Its exclusive 12-channel radiator with low-resistance hydraulic design maximizes surface contact for faster heat dissipation. Pre-installed 120mm daisy-chain fans simplify wiring by connecting through a single PWM and ARGB header, reducing cable clutter and making installation clean and straightforward. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient cooling solution built for gamers, creators, and power users. And our last choice is Thermalright liquid coolers for Ryzen 7. This 240mm AIO liquid cooler offers a strong balance of performance, durability, and visual appeal. Built with a 4th-generation pump head and a black aluminum fin radiator, it delivers efficient heat dissipation while maintaining low vibration and reduced coolant evaporation for extended lifespan. The unique octagonal pump head design stands out with its swirling rectangle styling and vibrant RGB halo lighting. With a lifespan of up to 40,000 hours and speeds reaching 3,300 revolutions per minute plus or minus 10%, it ensures long-term, reliable CPU cooling even during demanding tasks. Equipped with dual TLC 12BS V2 120mm fans, it provides up to 66.17 CFM airflow at a quiet less than or equal to 23 dBA. PWM support automatically adjusts fan speed based on CPU temperature for optimal cooling and noise control. RGB lighting syncs seamlessly with 5 V3-pin motherboard headers for customizable effects, compatible with a wide range of AMD and Intel sockets. Installation is simple and user-friendly, making it a solid choice for modern PC builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.